Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be putting the new Kat Von D Cake Pencil Eyeliners to the test. Now, if you follow me on Insta or if you've ever seen any of my makeup tutorials, you will know I'm obsessed with their tattoo liner. So much so that I actually always have backups, and I love the collector's edition ones. They just create the most beautiful liquid line, the perfect flick. I just love the flexibility of the felt tip, everything. So when I learned that they were releasing the cake liners, which are more of a creamy pencil liner, I really wanted to try them out. So in today's video, I'm going to do some swatches, I'm going to apply them, see how they work, and also try and buff one out to create a subtle smoky eye. So if you'd like to see how they work, keep on watching. So these pencils come in 3 shades. We've got Trooper Black, Whiteout, and Mad Max Brown. I'm really curious to try Whiteout because I love putting a white liner in my waterline to make my eyes pop, so I'm excited to try that. But let's just go in and have a look. These are a retractable pencil. So it looks pretty standard. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do some swatches. Whoa, these are super creamy. So that's Trooper Black, Whiteout. Oh, now you see, it was probably wound up a little bit and the tip has just snapped off. They're that creamy, so be careful of that. We have Mad Max Brown. That is such a beautiful brown. So there's the 3 swatches. They are super pigmented and super creamy. They definitely didn't drag on the skin, they just glide right over. Now what I'm gonna do is, I saw a demonstration on their website of them using it and buffing it out with a brush to create more of that soft smoky eye. So I think I will take Mad Max Brown. I'm gonna draw that on right next to it. I'm not sure how quickly we need to work, so I'm not gonna. Oh yes, that does smoke out just to a really nice soft brown. A really easy way to do a quick smoky eye with minimal product. Okay, so now that we've seen swatches, let's just go right in and put them on the eyes. So like I mentioned, I really want to try Whiteout in the waterline. So I'm going to go in with that first. Wow, okay, that is the perfect liner for an inner waterline. Especially if you like brightening it up. Ooh, I love it. Okay, Whiteout, they're definitely a fave. Now, I'm not gonna go in with Trooper Black because I do wear black eyeliners a lot. I want to experiment more with Mad Max Brown. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do one eye just going straight over my upper lash line. And that really just helps to define the eye. And I'd love that, especially if I was wearing like nice corally and pinky tones, then I want to go in with something soft. Black might be too harsh, but a brown would be perfect, especially to keep it nice and natural. Now I'm not going to blend that and buff that up. I'm just going to actually buff it just into my lash line, just so it creates a really solid line and it fuses with the lashes. That is perfect. I love that. It's so easy to work with. I definitely would work reasonably fast. I wouldn't apply it and leave it too long to buff out if that's what you want to do. But that's really pretty. I love it. Okay, so for the other eye, I'm just gonna work a little roughly because we're gonna buff this out and create more of that smoky, subtle smoky eye. Okay, now I'm going to go in with that same brush. That is really pretty. I'm going to apply a touch more, just a little higher up. So pretty. That's actually perfect, especially if you're going from day to night and you're starting with like a very subtle neutral look and you want to kind of vamp it up a bit for nighttime. Just apply some of that on top, have a small brush, buff it out. You're going to just get that nice soft smoky eye. That's really pretty. I might actually run some under the lower lash line. Kind of created the illusion of a little soft wing there as well. Wow. I really like these liners. They're very easy to work with and super pigmented. Okay, so here we have two simple eye looks which were super easy to create. This one here just with a solid line, and then this one here with the liner smoked out for a nice subtle smoky glam look. I'm really impressed with these pencils. I think they glide on really nicely. There's nothing worse than having a pencil liner that grabs and catches along your eye as you're trying to apply it. I think these perform really well. They're 100% vegan and cruelty free like most of the other products in her range, and I give them a 10 out of 10. I love them. I am definitely going to be using that Mad Max one more. I think that's just perfect for every day. The black and the white, still great colors, maybe ones I would choose to use more for glam looks, but yeah, Mad Max is definitely my pick. What do you guys think? Are you a fan of the Kat Von D tattoo liner, or do you think you'll give the cake liners a go? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!